Welcome student, my name is Raj Barge, I am co-founder director Raj Computers. Today we will be starting with a basic idea of AutoCAD. So we should know what is exactly AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a software which allows you to make designs. Now what kind of design it makes? It makes designs which are for civil, manufacturing and engineering works, which has precision into it. This is very old and very basic software into design, that is AutoCAD. So what we are going to learn today, we are going to understand like what is basics of drawings, what is XY coordinate system, what is absolute position, what is relative position, as well as what exactly AutoCAD screen look and how it looks. So first we'll be seeing a small note here. Fine. So now when I say AutoCAD, we are talking of something called as a coordinate system. Fine. So when you say coordinate, there are two kinds of coordinate, X coordinate and Y coordinate. See, everything in the world is created with the help of dots. If you say line is created with the help of dots in a straight line. When you say circle, all dots are connected in a circular manner. So everything is connected with dots, but every dot is going to have X axis and Y axis. So how they look? See, if I consider this basic diagram of geometry, this is my Y axis and this is my X axis. Normally we work in this part of this area, fine, that is topmost right side, fine, this part, and this is always positive. So we say X in positive format, Y in positive format. This is our origin, so we call this origin as 0, 0. If I go to right of this of origin, I will be getting positive values. If I go top of the origin, I will be getting positive values. But if I go left to the origin, then I will be getting negative values. So this is 1, this is minus 1, this is 2, this is minus 2, this is 3, this is minus 3, and so on. Fine. If I am putting a small point here, if this is my point, and if this is my X coordinate and Y coordinate, when it comes to X coordinate, it says this value is 9, and when it goes to Y, it says this coordinate is 6. So my X comma Y coordinate is 6 comma 2. I think this is clear to you.